Hey everyone, welcome back FinAI 2.0. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save more money in 2025 by making smart moves that really work. So, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, stick around. Did you know that most Americans waste more than $5,000 each year? That's money you could save or invest. But don't worry, today, I'm going to show you how to save that money without giving up your favorite things. Step 1. Track your spending with apps. One of the first things you need to do is track your spending. Use apps like Wallet, Budget Planner Tracker, or an app to see exactly where your money is going. These apps help you create budgets and find areas where you can cut back. Step 2. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. Are you still paying for streaming services you don't use? That's a waste. Review your subscriptions and cut the ones you don't need. Step 3. Follow the 50-30-20 rule. Start budgeting with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% should be saved or invested. Step 4. Automate your savings. Make saving money automatic. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account so you don't even think about it. Saving money doesn't have to be hard. With these simple strategies, you can start saving today and secure a better financial future. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your money saving tips in the comments below.